Wasn't even filming. It's there though. She's decent size smallmouth, 3-pound smallmouth. What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are in way up north Wisconsin. We are actually going to be doing some river fishing at a really well-known river up in these parts, and we are going to be trying to target virtually really anything. Specifically, I'm coming up here to try to break my PB smallmouth, which is at currently at a 3.9, and we're going to try to break that. We're going to try to get one over 4, hopefully 5. There's some big girls up here. See you guys down at the river. Wasn't even filming. It's there though. She's fighting good though.
Yeah, I bet. Well, it was mine, but you got
You want to see what she looks like? Oh.
Hello.
Here, you want to see what she looks like?
I touched the worm.
Come here.
Yeah, but
I
it
knew
was
she was
mine.
there.
Now you have it. I could have caught that. Look how cool that is. Damn it. Is that a mom or a girl?
I don't know, but she's trying to get me away from the babies. I think it's a mom.
Can you just pull it in? Yeah!
It's a good one.
We got one.
There we go.
That's my fish. That's a big one. That's so big. What is it? What is it?
It's a smallmouth.
It's such a big one.
Huh?
I caught that. No.
So, fishing for a while now. First fish of the day. Almost 3-pound smallmouth. Really good fish. Not my biggest, but definitely a good start to the day. This is really beautiful. I think she was actually guarding her babies. I think these fish are completely post-spawn. But we're gonna put her back, see what we can get in the future. Okay, put this bad girl back. Go on. Just watching her.
Mm-hmm.
There she goes. Like right here. It looked like a smallmouth. They're so clear.
So hydroplane for this? Like, I'm confused. Like, what does that mean? Hydroplane.
So this is all.
Water?
Yeah.
Well,
I got him. I got him. I got him, babe. It's a big one. Can you get the net?
How do I actually do this thing? How do you get it?
Push it down. Come over here. No, push it down.
I'm trying.
That's a good one.
Like, I'm gonna have to try to just get it with this thing.
Why is it? It's stuck. Don't get under that tree.
Are you
Don't
trying to get it in here?
Yeah. Here.
What is it?
This is smallmouth. Another good one. Wow, look at that thing. Think you wanted it?
Mm-hmm.
Check that out. Oh. Another decent size smallmouth. This one's a lot smaller. This one's probably about, it's 2-pounder. Not bad though. Put her on back. Ooh, okay, bye. found something.
You did?
Yep. I don't know what it is. It feels big though. Can you get the net? This feels big. Like, hurry, hurry, hurry. It's big. Smallmouth. Not as big as I thought. Just a fighter. Jesus Christ. Wow, is this guy just fighting? Right there.
I'm a good neck girl.
Yeah.
Up there.
What do you think? That's probably about. Oh. What do you think? Same size as that previous one? Or a little bit smaller? Little smallmouth. Fatty. Not too bad. See the tiger stripes on them, kind of?
Yeah.
Cast under, yeah, I was gonna say, cast under there, that's where he was. Okay, we're gonna release him over here. Ooh.